front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Now scroll again, this time to click on Privacy Controls. And from here select Permission Manager. Following that, select any feature you wanna manage. Let's go with Camera. And tap on one of your apps under one of those sections. In case of Camera, it's allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with Chrome from not allowed one. To manage this permission, you can click on one of those options to apply the best one for you. In this case, camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome gained access to my camera while I'm using my browser. But what most people miss is that you can click on any feature just to find an app you wanna manage. I can see that contacts have a lot of them, so I will click here, scroll to access, for example, my Facebook, and instead of applying all of those options, in this case allow or don't allow, tap on tiny text, see all permissions. This way you can manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!